students, now I am going to start question number 5 of exercise 3.4. Now question number 5 says, which of the following numbers are co-prime? Now what are co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers are two numbers in which only one has common factor. That means co-prime numbers are two numbers having only one as common factor. Okay? Are called co-prime numbers. So that means we will have to find the factors at first, and if we see only one as common factor, then we will say that those numbers are co-prime. Okay, so let's start with number A. So we will have we have 18 and 35. So we will have to find the factors of 18 and 35. So okay, so 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18. So these are the factors of 18, right? It cannot be divided by 4. 18 cannot be divided by 4 or 5, and 6 we have already. So the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now factors of 35. So 1 into 35 is 35. Then 35 cannot be divided by 2, 3, 4. Then we will take 5. 5 7s are 35. So the factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, 35. Now see, here we can see only one as common factor. So we can say that 18 and 35 are co-prime numbers. Okay. So we will write, therefore these are co-prime number. Okay. Now in the next part we have 15 and 37. So we will find the factors of 15 at first, and then we will find the factors of 37. So 1 15s are 15 and 3 5s are 15. So these are the factors of 15. So 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay, and if you find the factors of 37, then 1 into 37 is 37, only these two. So that means 1 and 37. So here we can see that only one as common factor, right? So here we can see that these are also co-prime. These are co-prime. Now co-prime numbers. Okay, now in the next part we have 30 and 405 15. So here also, like in the A part also, we have got the co-prime numbers, and B number also we have 15 and 37 which are co-prime numbers. Okay, now 30 and 415 in the C part. So we will find the factors of 30 and 415. So 1 30s are 30, 2 15s are 30, 3 10s are 30. It cannot be divided by 4. Okay, then we have 5, 5 6 are 30. Then 30 cannot be divided by 7, 8, 9 and 10 we have already. So these are the factors of. Now we will have to find the factors of 415. Now 415 ones are 415. Okay, after that it cannot be divided by 2, 3, 4. So directly we can take 5. So 5 8s are 40, 5 3s are 15. Okay, so here we can see that the factors of 415 is 1, 5, 83 and 415. We don't know if there is any factors of 415 or not. Okay, but before checking that, we can see that it is clearly seen that here we have 1 as a common factor, and other than 1 we have 5 also. In both the numbers we have got 5 also as a common factor, right? So that means if you check the definition of co-prime numbers, if the two numbers are having only one has common factor, then only we can say that the numbers are co-prime. So it is clearly seen that these are not co-prime numbers, so we don't have to find the factors of 415 further if there is any, okay, because here only we have got the here we have got the common factor other than 1, so it is clearly seen that these are not co-prime. Okay, so these are not co-prime numbers. Now next we have 17 and 68. So here we can see that this is not co-prime, so we have crossed this. Now number D part, we have 17 and 68. So we will have to find the factors of 17 and 16. So factors of 17 are 1 17 is 17, okay, and the factors of 63 is 1 68 is 68, then we'll take 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, that means 34 2 is 68, then it cannot be divided by 3, okay, then we can take 4 17 is 68, okay. Now so what we can see here, that here we have only these two are the factors of 17. So obviously here see 1 and 17 we have got, okay, factors of 17 we have got 1 and 17, and factors of 68 if you see we have 1 2 4 17 34 and 68. So here these and this as like 1 as a common factor, and after 1 we have got 17 also as common factor. So it is clearly seen that this is not a co-prime numbers, because here we have got 17 also other than 1 as a common factor. So it will write these are not co-prime numbers. That means co-prime number means having only 1 as common factor, and if we get other than 1, if we get any number other than 1, then we will say that these are not co-prime numbers, okay. Now the next part we have 216 and 250. So we have crossed number D because these are not co-prime numbers, okay. Now 216 and 215. So we'll find the factors of this 216. So at first we'll take 1. So 216 ones are 216. Then we'll take 2. 2 ones are 2. 0. 2 eights are 16. Okay. Now we can take 3. 3 sevens are 21. 3 twos are 6. So 72 threes are 216. Okay. Now next we can take 4 also. 4 fives are 20. Then 4 fours are 16. Okay, then it cannot be divided by 5, then we can take 6. 6 threes are 18. 3 6 6 are 36. Okay, so we have got this as common factor. If you check 8, then 8 twos are 16, then 8 sevens are 56. So it so 27 eights are 216. Okay, now after this we have 9. 9 twos are 18, then 9 fours are 36. Okay, after this 10. Now if you want to find the factors of 215, see 215 ones are 215. Now if you take 5 after this, 5 fours are 20, 5 threes are 15. Okay, so here we can see that only we have 1 as common factor, right? So we'll write these are co-prime numbers. Okay, now in the last part we have 81 and 16. Okay, here we have ticked number E. 216 and 215 is a co-prime number. Now in the last part we have 81 and 16. So we'll find the factors of 81 at first. So 181 is 81. Then we will take 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 sevens are 21. After this, now 81 cannot be divided by 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. We'll take 9 now. 9 9s are 81. So these are the factor of 81. Now if you find the factors of 16, then 1 16s are 16. Then 2 8s are 16. Then 2 8s are 16. Then 4 4s are 16, right? So here again we have only 1 as common factor. Okay, so these are also co-prime number. So we'll write these are co-prime numbers. Okay, so that means F also is a co-prime number. So which of the following numbers are co-prime? It will be A, B, E and F. Okay, so this was all about question number 5. Thank you, students.